He makes grass grow for the cattle, and for us to mow every weekend, and plants for people to cultivate, bringing forth food from the earth and the occasional bug bite. Psalm 104, verse 14. Even the Bible knows plants are a big deal. To plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow. Audrey Hepburn. Or to believe in your ability to keep it alive until tomorrow. Bringing plants into our homes is a rewarding experience, and a great way to test your memory for watering schedules, connecting us to nature's beauty and offering a sense of peace. Unless you forget to water them and they start to wilt. Caring for plants can be incredibly therapeutic, and a perfect excuse to talk to something that won't talk back, teaching us patience, observation, and the simple joys of nurturing life. Or the art of not overwatering, whether you're a seasoned plant parent or just starting. Everyone has killed at least one cactus. Understanding the basics of plant care is vital for their well-being and your enjoyment. And to avoid the dreaded plant funeral, this essay will equip you with essential tips and tricks to help your plants thrive, and maybe even impress your friends, from watering techniques to troubleshooting common problems, like why your fern looks like it's auditioning for a horror movie. We'll explore the fundamentals of plant care in an easy-to-understand manner, because even plants deserve a chance to live their best life, empowering you to create a flourishing indoor oasis, or at least a corner that looks like a mini jungle. Remember, every plant lover starts somewhere, usually with a plant that refuses to cooperate. And with a little knowledge and dedication, you can cultivate a green haven that brings joy for years to come, and maybe even a few Instagram-worthy moments. Watering is fundamental to plant health, but it's often misunderstood. Too much water can lead to root rot, while too little can cause wilting and stress. The key lies in finding the right balance for each plant, considering factors like pot size, soil type, and the plant's individual needs. A simple trick to check if your plant needs watering is to stick your finger about an inch into the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. If it feels moist, hold back and check again in a day or two. Overwatering is a common pitfall for new plant parents, so it's always better to err on the side of caution. When watering, ensure the water reaches the roots by watering thoroughly until you see it draining from the bottom of the pot. Discard any excess water collected in the saucer to prevent the roots from sitting in waterlogged soil. Remember, consistency is key. Establish a regular watering schedule and adjust it based on the season and the specific needs of your plants. Just like us, plants need sunlight to thrive. However, different plants have different light requirements. Some plants bask in direct sunlight, while others prefer indirect light or even shady spots. Before choosing a location for your plant, observe how much sunlight the area receives throughout the day. Once you understand your plant's light needs, you can select the appropriate spot. South-facing windows typically receive the most direct sunlight, while north-facing windows offer the least. East and west-facing windows provide a mix of direct and indirect light. If you're unsure, start your plant in a spot with bright, indirect light and observe its growth. Equally important is choosing the right soil for your plants. Well-draining soil is crucial to prevent root rot. Look for potting mixes specifically designed for indoor plants, as they often contain a blend of ingredients that provide good drainage and aeration. Remember to repot your plants every year or two into fresh soil to replenish nutrients and provide ample space for root growth. Section 4. Troubleshooting. Common plant problems and solutions. Even with the best care, plants can sometimes experience problems. Yellowing leaves, brown spots, or wilting can indicate issues like overwatering, underwatering, pests, or diseases. The key is to identify the problem early and take appropriate action. Yellowing leaves, for instance, can be a sign of overwatering, especially if the soil is constantly wet. Check the soil moisture and allow it to dry out slightly between waterings. On the other hand, brown leaf tips often indicate underwatering or low humidity. Increase watering frequency or mist your plant regularly to raise humidity levels. If you notice pests like spider mites or aphids, isolate the affected plant immediately to prevent the infestation from spreading. You can treat pests with insecticidal soap or neem oil, both natural and effective solutions. Remember, regular inspection and early detection are crucial for preventing and addressing plant problems effectively. Section 5. Green Thumb Journey. Embracing the learning process. Caring for plants is a continuous learning experience. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and learn from them. Every plant is unique, and what works for one may not work for another. Observe your plants closely, pay attention to their needs, and adjust your care routine accordingly. Remember that patience is key. Plants grow at their own pace, and it's essential to respect their natural rhythms. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. With consistent care and attention, your plants will thrive and reward you with their beauty and resilience. Embrace the journey of plant parenthood with an open mind and a willingness to learn. There's a world of knowledge out there, from online resources to local plant communities. Connect with other plant enthusiasts, share your experiences, and celebrate the joys of nurturing life. Happy growing!